Are you looking to make money as a blogger? In this video, I'm going to share with you a few of the strategies you can use to generate revenue from all the content you are writing on your blog. If you like the sound of more visibility and revenue, make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell if you haven't already for more videos like this one, because we talk about visibility and revenue all the time on this channel. So blogging is one of the more competitive spaces rather than podcasting and YouTube, but blogging, there's still a great opportunity there, because when people say that blogging is dying through their blog posts, there presents an opportunity for you to enter into a space where some people are backing out or thinking that it's too saturated. And blogging does present a very compelling opportunity to make more money with your content. The easiest way for anyone to start making money with their blog is through affiliate links. Affiliate links, you find someone else's product, you promote that product, you make a commission for each sale that comes your way. There are a variety of affiliate programs. Just search your niche or just search a product that you really like, put affiliate program at the end of that search result, and you should get something to show up with an affiliate program. And that's going to help you make money based on recommendations you would make anyways. So I like to recommend Publisher Rocket for authors, Optimize Press, and Thrivecart for people who want to create virtual summits, and just very efficient sites overall. So I make those recommendations anyway, but now I get paid when someone buys through my affiliate link. This is the easiest way to get started with blog monetization. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to have an email list, although those things help out significantly from a long-term and sustainability perspective. But the affiliate links are just, you get into these programs, you get the link, you make the recommendation in your blog post you would have made anyway, but instead of just free PR, you're getting a commission for all the sales you make. And some affiliate programs pay out recurring commissions. You see this in a lot of the mailing solutions such as ConvertKit, Aweber. A lot of those offer a recurring 30% monthly commission. So the great thing about that type of structure is that you get one person on board for your affiliate link, and that person will pay you month after month, because with something like a ConvertKit or an Aweber, people stay on those types of platforms for months, if not years, and that's just going to be incoming commissions month after month. All you had to do is get that first initial sale. Now, affiliate programs are really great for making money with your blog content, but you have to think about building your own audience, because what if the affiliate opportunity, like they change the commission, which you don't really see too much, but it is something that can happen. You don't want to be reliant on other people's products. So the way you do not become over-reliant is you create your own product, a book or a training course or like merchandise. There's a variety of different products you can create. From a blogging perspective, you could take some of your blog posts, copy paste them into a book and add some new content to it. That's what a lot of authors do. So you can repurpose your existing content into an actual product that you charge people for. Whether it's just a $2.99 Kindle book, or you turn your blog posts into videos and you charge a little more for the training course, that's the idea. You can repurpose your existing content. So with the email list growth, because that's the thing that we should be focusing on, that allows you to build an audience that you truly own. Like, social media is great. I talked about it in previous videos, and it's great to grow your business, but if you only rely on social media, you risk, like, if they change the algorithm and all of a sudden you're not getting all the views. If you have people on your email list, you have full control over how you are able to communicate with that audience. And by control and being able to own your audience rather than rely on a social network is something that you definitely want to have as an advantage. So to get more email subscribers, you can use the blog posts to warm people up to your email offer. So normally you have a landing page, and on this landing page, you promote a free ebook, mini course, guide, something free that provides value. People enter their email address to get it. So if you have a guidebook with 10 dessert recipes and you offer that in exchange for an email address. That's your landing page. You could write blog posts like, 3 dessert recipes. And then at the end of that blog post, hey, did you like these? Do you want another 10? Enter your email address and your first name, and we will send that to you. You could also do like 5 ingredients to enhance your dessert's taste. And then you can lead into the 10 dessert recipes guidebook. So knowing what your landing page offer is and then using the blog content to connect with it increases the likelihood of people transitioning from reader to subscriber. And this is where we get more intentional with the content and we do themes. So this is how not only do you get the email subscribers, but it's easier for you to repurpose your blog content into books later on. So if you do a weekly blog post about like personal finance, and then you do another weekly blog post about like how to grow your business, you do each of those for like a few months, and all of a sudden you have a book. You have at least, depending on how long the blog posts are, like if they're thousands of words, you definitely have a book. If they're a few hundred each, you have a very good foundation for a finished book. And if your blog does grow big enough, you will get some people approaching you for sponsorships. So some people that want the link in your blog post, and they'll pay you money for that. I mean, I've gotten $20 and $50 payments for link placement. Now, you do want to be careful with this. There are some sites that will contact you that it is not a good fit at all. But if it's something that makes sense and connects with what you have to offer, then it is something that you could definitely think about. And having the links to other places does help you from a ranking standpoint, especially though, given if they're authority sites. The more authority the site has, the better, but having those links to other sites will help you from an SEO perspective. And depending on how much traction you have on your website, it can turn into some very nice revenue. And if you do want to build up your blog so you're in a position to get more sponsors, grow your email list, there are a variety of ways. Again, we talk about this on the channel. One thing I'll bring into this video, though, is collaborations. This is the most powerful way to grow in any business. You team up with other bloggers, you do guest posts, they do a guest post on your site, you do like a free book giveaway. That's one of the methods in my video where I detail if you want to get 1,000 email subscribers in one day, that's the type of thing that you do. So think about how you can collaborate with other people to grow your blog, expand your reach, and ideally, which is the main goal for people who want to make money online, grow the email list. So in any event, if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you guys next time. Until then, dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.